Click the link in the description down below to download this free preset pack. Once you download it, you'll see this zip file. All you have to do is double click that and extract that zip. Now let's go back into Premiere, and in the effects window, right click on presets and select import presets. Now just select your extracted preset file, which is KH Camera Shakes. As soon as you do that, you'll see under Kyler Holland, we have KH Camera Shakes. And there's a little guide here that you can hover to learn how to use this pack, but I'm gonna go over that really quick. Essentially, all you have to do is just drag on the effect onto your clip, and it's gonna automatically scale no matter how long your clip is. So you can come through here and play with different effects to get the look that you're going for. So real quick, I'll explain the different intensities. So the single plus is subtle, like meaning it's not as aggressive. You can play around with them and see that it's very subtle. And then when you move up to the double plus, it's a little bit more punchy. There's another one. And then when you move up to the triple plus, this is when you get those really aggressive camera shakes, just like that. Now, another thing that's really cool about this pack is it works on every single clip. So no matter how long your clip length is, if you drag it onto there, it will keep that effect going for that entire clip. It also works on adjustment layers. So if you have an adjustment layer that's over your entire project and you drag on like that camera shake will actually apply to all of those clips beneath there. And this is really fun because you can actually just like chop this up. You can add more effects onto the adjustment layer, and you can actually stack these on top of each other to get some really crazy effects. So when you play around with it, it's actually really easy to do, and it gives you that very creative camera shake. One final tip I have is if you're just kind of playing around and you don't really know what shakes you want to do yet, you can actually highlight all your clips, right click and go to remove attributes. And then you can just remove that camera shake that we applied right there, make sure it's selected and click OK. And that would allow you to like restart if you want to play around with when you want the shake to hit and stuff like that. Let's say I want the shake to hit when that hits to the ground. I'm just going to make a cut, and then let's drag camera shake 9. You'll notice that when you apply the camera shake, it actually zooms in a little bit on some of them, depending on how intense the shake is. To get around that, you can either like position and scale a little bit if you want, something like that. So then it's like, boom, like it's a more seamless transition. Or you can actually adjust the settings on the camera shake itself. So in here, you'll see there's a ton of different options that you have. And then when you play around with it, you can just mess with the scaling. So master changes the scaling of all this stuff. So meaning we can do that and then change that down to 0. So then it scales up to that shake. And that's the quickest and easiest way. And then you can adjust your keyframes as needed. I always recommend messing around with your keyframes because you don't want to leave these standard. You want it to be something punchy and cool. And you'll notice that as the scale is wider, it doesn't move as much. And then as it gets closer, then it starts to shake more. Really is that easy to add camera shakes to your footage. Just download this using the link in the description. And if you like this video, please click that like button and let me know what you think down in the comments below.